Imagine taking a home loan. The bank pays the builder never gives you the flat, and the project fails. And then the bank still comes after you for recovery. Is the home buyer still liable? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining me. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisory Group Noida, a multidisciplinary professional services firm delivering end-to-end advisory solutions. The DRAT Allahabad answered this crucial question in State Bank of India versus Vikas Chaudhary and others in the year 2025. In this case, SBI sanctioned a home loan to a purchaser for buying a flat from a builder. His wife stood as a guarantor. A detailed tripartite agreement was executed between the buyer, the builder, the landowner, and the bank. The loan amount was not paid to the buyer but was directly disbursed to the builder for construction of the flat. The builder failed to complete the project and never handed over possession. The account later became NPA and SBI filed a recovery case before the DRT. The DRT allowed recovery but only against the builder and the landowner. The home buyer and guarantor were completely exonerated. SBI challenged this before DRAT Allahabad, arguing that the borrower and guarantor must also be made liable. But the appellate tribunal dismissed SBI's appeal. The DRAT held that under the tripartite agreement, if default occurred, the bank had the right to recover money from the builder, not from the flat purchaser. Since the buyer never received the loan amount and never received possession of the flat, fastening liability on him would be unjust and illegal. The tribunal also upheld the modification of interest, holding that once recovery proceedings are filed, interest becomes discretionary and panel or compounded interest need not be mechanically granted. The final outcome was clear. The appeal was dismissed. The home buyer and guarantor were protected. Recovery was upheld only against the builder and landowner. The key takeaway from this judgment is extremely important. When a home loan is disbursed to a builder under a tripartite agreement and the project collapses, the innocent home buyers cannot be treated like a defaulter. The bank's remedy lies against the builder who failed to deliver. This case is a major relief for home buyers and a strong reminder that contracts, facts, and fairness matter in recovery law. This is CA and Insolvency Professional Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this episode is helpful for you. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.